Hi guys, so I haven't done an updated routine in a long time, so here we go. I have freshly washed my hair and rinsed it and deep conditioned. Now I'm going in with my favourite Jamaican black castor oil leave-in from Shea Moisture. Yes, after all these years I still use that. It's pretty much like a primer for me. So I'm going to go ahead and I just apply that generously to the hair. As you can see, I'm not detangling yet, I'm just applying it all over the hair, but I will get into that in a sec. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the Denman D3 brush, which comes in the natural hair starter kit, which I'll leave a link for down below. But I go ahead and after I've kind of finger detangled, I again go in with the Denman brush to detangle. This helps get me great definition, which is a new thing that I've added to my routine lately. I go from the bottom upwards. Guys, never detangle with your brush from the roots down to the tips. Please, I beg, because that is just going to break your hair. So if you do it from the bottom upwards, section by section, and be very gentle as you can be, you will notice that you get way less breakage and it's less tension on the scalp, leading to less breakage or hair loss. So when I get to the front, I really focus on the front part because I feel like the front needs to be the most defined out of every part of my hair because it's, you know, near the face, it's where everyone sees first. So once that's done, I then go ahead and use my styler, which is going to be the Bouclem Curl Cream. Again, yes, I still use this product and recommend it highly. That's why it's in the box too. So I don't use as much of this product than I did of the leave-in conditioner. As you can see, I just put like a circle in the middle of my palm and then I apply it gently just to the outer layer of my hair at first. Then we're going to detangle and make sure that we reach every single strand. But for now, I just work it through softly, as you can see, really smoothing it down. And this is going to train the curls to be defined and tamed and less frizz. Now that I've applied it and softened it through my hair, I'm going to go ahead and do the finger detangling to make sure that the curl cream reaches every single strand of hair. This is so important because I have thick hair. You'll see that there's so much hair in the middle that I probably hadn't have even reached, and if I don't reach those strands, that's just going to result in a lot of frizz and a lot of bigness and fullness, and you just want to make sure you reach every single strand. Takes a lot of time, but it's so worth it. You're going to get better results, trust me. Now that's done, I can tell my hair is going to come out looking great. So I air dry for a few hours. As you can see, everything's from the box, and guys, look at these results. Listen, I've had years of training, guys, so I know what I'm talking about. I hope these tips help you and you can too get the same results as what I have here. It's all dried, all defined. Every single section of my hair is defined and I'm in love. Definitely give me any questions in the comment section down below. Like this video, share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.